स्वागतं कक्ष्यायां प्रार्थनया प्रारम्भं करोमि। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। ॐ तत्सत्। ह्यः अन्तिमभागे कापि भगिनी चाटुश्लोकः इत्यत्र चत्वारः चत्वारः पादाः वा अथवा भागाः वा भवन्ति इति चाटु इति तया चिन्तितमासीत् प्रायः। तथा न, चाटु इति संस्कृते संस्कृते स्किल्फुल् प्लीजिङ्ग् इति आङ्ग्लभाषायां भवति। टु प्लीजिङ्ग् वर्स् or a skillfully pleasing verse. Anywhere where we see some kind of chaturya, so that is where chatu comes into picture. Nothing to do with chatvari or chatasra or something like that. Okay, so chatu shloka. Shloka itself is variably used to mean any verse, and more specifically, according to the Shastriya definition, it is a specific meter in a verse called shloka meter. Like I said, 32 letters, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, and so on and so forth. Beyond even 8, there is a further rule that fifth letter, seventh letter, some rules are there. There is actually another shloka itself to explain the rule. Sanskritam is extremely skillful in that. Anything that needs to be defined is also coded into another shloka. And typically that shloka, for example, will also be carrying a similar meter. It's amazing skill of the Sanskrit kavis to do all that. Anyway, so that's what I wanted to say before we move on. So today we are starting off with the samasya section. Okay, so somewhere where there is a puzzle or a riddle or something like that, where with correct grammar application we can solve what is apparently a contradictory statement. Okay, so in some riddles of Sanskrit we find words like that sound like those of some other language. Samskrite kadachit padani प्राप्यन्ते ये अन्येषां भाषासु अन्ये भाषासु यथा श्रूयते तथा श्रूयते ते अपि, परन्तु तथा न. However, on a closer look, यदि सम्यक् पश्यामः तदा they are indeed Sanskrit words, संस्कृतपदानि एव ते. यथा फॉर एग्जाम्पल वार्धके यौवने वापि केसरी भात् विशिष्यते. अत्र कर्णाटके तु केसरी भात् इति ये बेंगळूरु नगरे अथवा तस्मिन् पार्श्वे वसन्ति ते जानन्ति एव. दर्शिनी भोजनालयेषु केसरी बात्, चौचौ बात् इत्यादि बहु सम्यक् खादितुं मिलति इति. तत् न इदानीं विवरणं क्रियते. वार्धके अर्थात् वर्धित वयसि, अर्थात् in old age. Okay, यौवने during young age. Va api, either in old age or in young age too. Va api, va is like alternative. Okay, kesari bhat. Okay, this so-called rice mix, which is of that vishishta color, vishishyate, specializes. We like it like that. Okay, but the word kesari bath does not refer to the famous sweet dish, though the meaning of the line, of course, this kesari bath is called shira in Maharashtra. Yeah, so the meaning of the line seems to be in old age or youth, kesari bath is relished. Relished, nice. Yeah, actually, kesari bath should be split up as kesari plus ibhat. So there is a savarna dirgha sandhi of e plus e is equal to one single e. Okay, kesari ibhat. So kesari is in pratama and ibhat is in chaturthi. Okay. Panchami, Kshamyatam, Panchami. Okay, so now the line means either in old age or youth, the lion is superior to the elephant. So Ibat Kesari, in comparison, we use that. Than the lion, than the Gaja or Ibha, Kesari is superior, specializers like that. Okay, in that sense. Vardhake. Sometimes you also hear Vardhakye also. I have heard both forms. Yauvane va api kesari ibhat vishishyate. So we have to remember this simple thing. So we can move on. Subhashitam. So let us see today's Subhashita. Oh, it's clearly about Samudra Manthana, as this lovely pictorial depicts. Huh? All the Rakshasas on one side, all the Devas on other side, and the famous Meru, and the famous Shesha Naga being used as the rope. Anyway, so रत्नैर्महाब्देस्तुतुषुर्न देवा न भेजिरे भीमविषेण भीतिं सुधां विना न प्रययुर्विरामं न निश्चितार्थाद्विरमन्ति धीराः. So as usual, some context is explained and the moral is the terminating pada. Okay, so this one, if you see, it is not a shloka, it is something even longer. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 11 or 12 letters seems to be there in each pada. So this is one of the more detailed verse form. Okay, not a shloka form. Anyway, so ratnaihi, ratnair, repamsha is the visarga actually. So ratnaihi, so tritiya vibhakti bahuvachana, with many jewels. Okay, so karana karaka, so with many jewels. Mahabdehe, of the mighty ocean. Okay, so shashti, Mahabdihi, Mahabdehe, of the mighty ocean. Okay. Tutush. Any questions? Okay, let me mute everyone. Just a minute. Stand by. Okay, somebody muted themselves. Okay, so Tutushuhu, Tutushur, again the Repamsha, you have to bring it back to a Visarga. Tutushuhu. So this is lit or something like that. Okay. So Tush means to be satisfied. Tutushuhu means will be satisfied in plural. Okay. So in that sense. Na Tutushuhu. This is Tutushuhu na. So negation falls behind the tutushu. So na tutushu will not be pleased, will not be satisfied. Devaha, the devas, devaganas, or the persons belonging to the devagana. So ratnaihi mahabdehe na tutushuhu devaha. So the devas will not be satisfied with the jewels brought forth by the great ocean. Okay, during the churning, of course. Okay. So that's the one. So they are not easily pleased with material gains. That's what is being said there. Though they are really looking for ultimate material gain, there is a joke in that. But anyway, let's move on. Na bhejire bhima vishena bhitim. Na bhejire. So they won't be frightened. Bhaya from that. So they won't be frightened. Bhima vishena bhitim. So from that very intense poison, okay, they won't get frightened. So they won't obtain fear. Bhitim na bhejire. I don't know how this dhatu works under bhejire. I need to also look up. Maybe in the dhatu prakriya of ashtadhyayi.com I will look it up. So obviously bhejire means obtain or something like that, and bhitim bhejire, so is the combination of the fear getting. So na, so neither will they be afraid of the intense poison that will come forth. So at the same time as very materialistically useful ratnas come out, also poison also comes out. Okay, so they don't get afraid of that either. So neither are they distracted by temporary gains, nor are they made to be afraid of the poison, etc. The reality is that actually Shiva helps to remove that bhiti, as you see in this. We know that when there is a particular name for Visha, there is a Karala Visha that comes. So Shiva consumes and locks it up in his throat, and all that is the Purana.
So one question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is Bhima Vishena Samasaha or just
It is a samasa. Bhima
okay.
is referring to terrible, huge, that kind of sense. In fact, Bhima's name is because he is famous for putting fear in others. So he is a huge fellow like that. So Bhima is like big, terrible, that sense. Okay. One who makes others tremble in fear. Okay, so Bhima Visha is that kind of a poison. So Bhimavat Vishaha, something like that. Tena Vishena. This is in Tritiya. Okay. Sudham Vina Na Prayayuhu Viramam. Again, Visarga into Repa. Prayayur. Prayayuhu. So Yati, that dhatu. So Prayayuhu, obtain. Okay. Na Prayayuhu, not obtain. Viramam. So they don't obtain restfulness. Viramam. Sudham Vina, without the Sudha. What is Sudha here? The Amruta that comes forth along after the poison. Eventually, the elixir of life comes out, right? So that's called Sudha, Amruta, many various names. So without that Sudha, that elixir, we should read this as actually churning of our life forces and obtaining the true sense of life rather than the materialistic gains and the other troubles that bother us. So we should take it at a adhyatmic level. This is in Puranic story level. Okay, it's for us to translate it the correct way. So for us, the Rakshasas and Devas are two aspects of ours. Okay, and that's how interpretation is also possible in a lakshyartha. Anyway, na nishchitarthad, the takaranta is become dakara there. Nishchita arthat, nishchita arthat, again samasta pada. Nishchita means determined, artha means meaningfulness or obtaining, gaining something. Tat, from that. Okay, na nishchitartat viramanti dhiraha, rest the bold and the steadfast people. Okay, so what is how brave, they have taken brave. Okay, that's good. Dhiraha is somebody who has worn his brain properly. He's not getting afraid and distracted from his goal. So such is a dhira. So in a war, it will be obviously brave. In life also, there is different kinds of bravery. So dhiraha na nishchitartaha, nishchitartat
Sir, how
viramanti.
is it Panchami there, sir?
From nishchitartha. Okay, from the cause that they have identified, they don't take rest. Okay, Ramat yachati. So from Rama, somebody begs like that, right? So I mean Ramat yachaya langalam, something Parvati was telling Shiva, that I remembered. Ramat. Okay, so nishchitarthat, from the determined action, like that. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between
See,
samasta
apadana
pada and
samprada.
samasa?
Same. Samasta pada is actually the resulting pada, and samasa is the kriya, prakriya, which makes that samasta. When we just say samasa, we mean the action of combining two words in a kind of a engineered construct together as a phrase into one single word. But samasta pada is the resulting pada. Okay. All right.
Sir, are there various types of samasas just the way there are various types of sandhis?
Oh yeah. It's there are 4 major classes, and then there are lots of subclasses within each. Okay, so Bahuvri actually Bahuvrihi samasa, Tatpurusha samasa, and then there is an avyayi bhava, dvandva and avyayi
Dvandva.
bhava, like that 4 are there. Then lots of derivatives are there with other names. It's a big science in Vyakarana.
Okay.
It is going to be presenting itself to you in the last level. Kovida level is when they will step into samasas, because it's a little intricate. 1 second, let me mute.
Sure.
Some noise was coming through. Sir, somebody is trying to explain samasa, but only noise is coming through, sir. Okay, let's not worry about going into details. So Mahodaya was, I think I heard something like Purva Pada and all that. So Mahodaya was trying to explain that the samasas are made, that major classification is based on which of the two words is the dominant one, etc., that kind of thing. Yeah, the classification is based on. Finally, the idea is that samasta pada is indicating one new, is describing some pada. Is that pada part of the samasa itself, or is it something outside? If it is part of the samasa, which part of the samasa? All those aspects are used to classify the samasa. Okay, so that's what he was trying to explain. Let's not go too deep there. It's at this level, it's important enough to know, oh, this is a samasta pada because there is no vibhakti. That's all is we need to identify. Nischita cannot be having a vibhakti tail. It seems to be a pratipadika. So moment I identify a pratipadika, I know there is a samasta pada, because I cannot pull out nischita and call it any vibhakti. If I cannot title it with a vibhakti, then it's a samasa clearly. I should keep it attached. Okay, that's all the trick we need to know at this stage. Okay, let's read this once more. Ratnair mahabdes tutushurna deva na bhejire bhima vishena bhitim sudham vina na prayayur viramam na nischitartad viramanti dhiraha. Okay, beautiful verse summarizing the entire Samudra Manthana episode in one simple verse. When they churned the ocean of for nectar, the gods were not pleased with the gems they secured from the ocean. Okay. By the way, Deva is also not the ultimate god as per our definition. They are just higher beings. So even human beings can be Devas. In fact, eventually human souls which perform well only reach there. Okay. So, but that is different from Paramatma. Okay. Anyway, they were not pleased with the gems they secured from the ocean, nor were they scared of the terrible poison. They churned and churned the ocean until they got nectar. Thus, determined persons do not stop till they reach their goal. But as you know, this story is very practical. It has lots of pointers to show that even gods are limited because they use deceit to attain. So yeah, there is a lesson there. So let's see some questions now. Devaha kena na bitaha. Anybody wants to volunteer? Very simple answer. Nobody is volunteering.
Bhima Vishena.
Bhima Vishena na bhitaha. Devaha Bhima Vishena na bhitaha. Devaha mahabdehe kaihi na tutushuhu.
Ratnaihi.
Ratnaihi. Correct. So simple answer to kaihi is Ratnaihi. Okay. So Devaha mahabdehe Ratnaihi na tutushuhu. Well done, Murthy Varya. Devaha kena vina viramam na prayayuhu.
Sudham vina.
Sudham vina, amrutam vina, viramam na prayayuhu. Dhiraha kena vina na viramanti.
Nishchitartha.
Nishchita karya samaptina, something like that you can say, extend the way you are going, or nishchitarthat. Okay. Dhiraha nishchitarthat athva nishchitartah nishchitartena vina. If you want to include vina, then nishchitartena vina you go. If you want to drop the vina, you say dhiraha nishchitartat na viramanti. Enough. That vibhakti itself is completely giving the sense. Okay, from the determined goals, they don't take rest. Okay, well done.
One question. In the first one, Devaha kena na bhitaha, because it is fear, should we not say Bhima Vishat na bhitaha instead of Vishena? Vishena? Panchami.
You can, I guess you can use that. Okay, Bhima Vishena Nabitaha, because Kena, Bhima Devaha Bhima Vishat Nabitaha. Yeah, you can say that. Okay, you can kind of say that, but I would use the instrument case generally. Yeah.
Similar to Sarpat, right? Sarpat.
Sarpat is also used for Bhiti, correct?
Yeah.
So Bhima Vishat can be used. Yeah, can be used. Looks like they're either you can go with instrument or with Panchami from sense. Okay, all right. So now I found when I was trying to dig more details of this verse, there are lots of these wonderful guys who write nice detailed stuff. So for this particular verse, some guys are very good bloggers on Sanskritam. So I found this Abhyankar. I don't know what is some SL Abhyankar, his blogs. So he has lots of useful stuff, lessons. Okay, and I found a very nice explanation for this verse from him. So I have put the link here. So I can share this link on the WhatsApp also later. So he has really gone in great detail. Amazingly nice detail. See, 2.1, 2.2, like that. I mean, this 2.1, 2.2 must be the verse number dot word or something. I don't think it's any Vibhakti type of thing. So, but later on he explains, you see, Pratama, all those things, he explains all those things. Okay, very nicely done. Anyway, so let's see the next Subhashitam. पापान्निवारयति योजयते हिताय गुह्यं निगूहति गुणान् प्रकटीकरोति आपद्गतं च न जहाति ददाति काले सन्मित्रलक्षणमिदं प्रवदन्ति सन्तः. Again, this is not shloka meter. You can see the lengths are longer in each pada. Okay, so papat nivarayati yojayate hitaya guhyam niguhati gunan prakati karoti. All are pairs. Something does, something does, something does, like that in 4 pairs. So papat nivarayati, from the papa karyas, from what you call let us say adharmic actions. Okay, varayati, prevents. So prevents from adharmic actions, number 1. Yojayate hitaya, engages in fruitful action. Hita means something pleasant and fruitful. Engages in fruitful action or in goodness. Guhyam niguhati. Guhyam is what should be hid. That is called guhyam. So whatever should be hidden, niguhati, keeps it hidden. Okay. Gunan prakati karoti. Good qualities publishes. Prakati karana is publication. So publishes good qualities. That means praises good qualities. Apadgatam cha na jahati. Apadgataha is a fellow who has gone into apat. Apat means danger or some kind of trouble. So apatgataha, apadgatam, karmapada. So the fellow who has gone into danger and is there to add to the last set. Na jahati, does not give up, does not abandon. Okay. Dadati kale, in times, in required times. Kale here means in sat kale or dush kale, whatever, in good or bad times. Dadati, he gives. Okay, good times when he is able to give, and bad times for this fellow when he needs it. In either those times, we can take it as kale. In time, he gives. In timely manner, he donates. Sanmitra lakshanam idam. Sanmitra lakshanam. So Sanmitra is a good friend. Okay. So Sat Mitra, Sanmitra. So Lakshanam idam. So there is one sandhi there. Lakshanam idam, and it is not even a sandhi, it is just a samyukta akshara. Lakshanam is halanta makara with idam. So Sanmitra Lakshanam idam pravadanti santaha. So they say the knowledgeable people, saintly people. The saintly people say that these things are the good friends qualities. Sanmitra Lakshanam idam. What are those? Papan nivareti, etc., etc., what we went through. So beautiful, beautiful definition of a friend. Okay. And usually we will have trouble with this. Guhyam niguhati. We get troubled by that. I have been also faced with situations where people have challenged me, why you are not telling on someone despite them doing something not correct. Then I have argued that, I trust implicitly that whatever he did was a mistake and it was not with any wrong intention. So I would not like to badmouth a person for that reason. Nothing colossal has happened due to that, like that. So that is very important. Okay. Guhyam niguhati, we struggle with it. We struggle with hiding certain secrets, even though they may trouble us. Secrets about others. Okay. But it's important we should hide them. Okay, as long as it is not leading to some colossal effect, we should not try to badmouth that aspect and continue our general friendship. Okay, so I have personally learned in my life about that. So it's nice to see the beautiful inclusion of that. Anyway, so a good friend will always pull you out of the sinful path and put you on a beneficial path. He will keep your secrets while letting others know about your good qualities. When you are in trouble, he will be by your side and will give you assistance. I should read it as at the hour of need. Pious men call these a true friend's characteristics. So let us read it once more. Papannivarayati yojayate hitaya guhyam niguhati gunan prakatīkaroti aapadgatam cha na jahati dadati kale sanmitra lakshanamidam pravadanti santaha. I don't know the correct raga to use for such meters, but I'm sure if those who know that will be able to make it more pleasing. Anyway. All right, so we have here some famous friend, Bart Simpson and somebody. Anyway, let's move on. So let's see some questions. So very easy answers. So you guys can jump in very easily. Kaha asman papat nivarayati? Huh? Saugandhi?
Santaha.
No,
Santaha.
no, not Santa.
Sanmitram.
Sanmitram.
Sanmitraha.
Somebody said it in
Sanmitram.
the correct form also. I liked it. Sanmitram. Because Mitram is a Napumsakalinga Shabda. Okay. So first I was expecting the first answer to come Sanmitraha or Mitraha or something like that. Mitraha is also correct, but Mitraha means simply Surya. Okay. Mitraha in a Pullinga form is the name for Surya. Mitram in Napumsaka is a friend. Okay. Sanmitram asman papat nivariti. Rest is obviously same answer. Sanmitram asman yate. Sanmitram asmakam guhyam niguhati. Sanmitram asmakam gunan prakatayati. Sanmitram asman apadi cha na jahati. Apadi na jahati. Sanmitra lakshanani kani bhavanti. We have to copycat the whole set. Papat nivarayati, hitaya yojayate, guhyam niguhati, gunan prakatayati, apati na jahati. So maybe the question may come in any of those forms. So I have just thrown the possibilities. So most likely it will come. Sanmitra lakshanani kani iti vadantu. Vadatu. Sorry, it will be a direct question to. So vadatu. So then we can list the few.
Mahodaya Suprabhatam. Mahodaya Suprabhatam.
Namaste Narayanan Varya. Prashna hasti va?
Prashna Nasti, I just came from the other class.
Oh, welcome, sir. Welcome. Yeah.
Gita Sopanam level 2 I am attending.
Oh, okay. Sorry about the timing class, sir. I apologize. Not
Clashing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Dhanyavada.
Okay, so let's move on. Okay. Today's Pada Sangraha. So let's have
Sir, sorry, sir. One basic question. In the previous slide, there is Asmakam and Asman. I'm sure this is part of what is covered in Pravesha, but
No. See, Asmakam is in Shashti. Our good qualities. Asmakam Gunan. Our good qualities. Okay. Asman is ourselves. Okay. So it is in us in Karma Pada position. Okay. Aham, Avam, Vayam. And Mam, Avam, Asman. Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Okay. So us in karma position is asman. Ours is asmakam. Ours, many of ours. Okay, all ours. Gunan, all our good qualities. The
Shashti.
friend
it is Shashti,
establishes.
sir.
Shashti Bahuvachana.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Mama avayoho asmakam. Do you remember asmat shabda? Asmad and Yushmat Shabda, we have to mug up. Only two. Luckily, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, only two words, but we neglect those two. Somehow we neglect. We are so caught up with Rama Shabda, we forget Aham and Tvam Shabdas, which is basically Asmad and Yushmad Shabda. Technically, the Pratipadika for them is Asmad and Yushmad. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
And that is Trilingaka. There is no Linga Bheda for that. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so let us invite Shilpa Udeshi. Shilpa Varye. Namaste, Bhagini. Just quickly read through a couple of forms for us for practice, ma'am.
Pada sangraha, da dhatu, to give. Dadati, yachati. Diyate, dasyati. Datavyam, daniyam. Dattaha, datta, dattam. Dattvan, dattvati. Dadat, yachat, yachan. Dadati, yachanti. Datva, pradaya, datum.
Datum. Just stand by. Just quickly, I will again just quickly revise the meaning so that we keep reasserting these forms in our brain. Dadati, lat, alternative form, yachati. Okay. Basically, there are two dhatus that are almost falling on each other. So da and yach. Okay, so sometimes in future tense, in fact, the other form also comes sometimes. Anyway, so gives is the meaning of. So it's a lat ekavachana. Prathama vibhakti, prathama purusha. What am I saying? Vibhakti. Prathama purusha ekavachana. Okay, so diyate is the karmani form of that. Okay, diyate karmani form with the yakara and the atmanepadi ending. So the dati goes to karmani in diyate in the same lat lakara. Dasyati is bhavishyat. So bhavishyat kala. Dasyati, shwaha dasyati. Somebody gives tomorrow, that one. So
Mahodaya, Acharya Mahodaya, one doubt. Why he has not given for yachati also these past tense and future tense?
Basically, they are very close. Okay, they have given the alternative in some places. See here, dadat yachan, dadati yachanti, few places. Okay, but there is no probably dasyati will be the form even yach dhatu takes in future tense, etc. We need to look up. We need to look up that form. Okay, if you are very curious, if you are very curious,
may have it.
Yeah. Ashtadhyayi.com will definitely have it. So let's do that because we are curious. Let's do that.
Okay.
I will share that. I will change the screen share. Just stand by. Okay, change the share. I have to literally stop sharing and then share. Looks like funny. Okay. Not very intuitive. Okay, so you have to go to Dhatu Pata and let's type Yachati. Okay, see, it comes under Da Dhatu only. Okay, there is nothing like, obviously there is nothing like Yach. So it is a form under Da Dhatu. You forget this Yam, the other form, it's some other meaning, some other Dhatu which seems to have a similar form appearing somewhere. But let's fix, so the Dhatu is Da only. Okay, so it seems to have Yachati. But why they have not put Dadati here? Let me hit Dadati, what happens? Dadati. Oh, okay, 3.10. Yachati comes under what?
Mahodaya, yesterday,
Gana change. Okay, so this Da Dhatu comes in two ganas. One is 1 dot, you see here, 1,000, whatever, huge number. So it comes in the Vadi Gana, the big Gana. Okay, in that Gana, it takes the Yachati form in some Lakaras and goes back to Da form in other Lakaras. Okay, whereas the same Dhatu, okay, Dadati, same Dhatu Da, but it is now also duplicitly quoted under another Gana, Juhotyadi Gana, third Gana, 10th Dhatu there. So in that Gana, it takes the Dadati form. But both of them mean to give. So Sanskrit Bharati has not tried to highlight all that. They are showing that Yachati form exists in another Gana. Okay. So there is no Yach as such. The Da Dhatu only takes two different Ganas and appears slightly differently. Well, we can put it down to sometimes, you know, the different regions have slight variations and Panini combined it. And in order to distinguish, he actually put it in two Ganas. Okay. That's how we can look at it. He used one of the techniques available to him to do that distinction, draw that distinction. And in this Gana, you see here, this Ubayapadi, it is having, see, Ubayapadi in Juhoti Gana, Juhotyadi Gana. So let Parasmai, let Atmane, Datte, etc. forms also comes. Somebody was the other day talking about Datte being there. So there is a Karmani form of Da also, Datte. So it can clash with probably Dattaha Datte also as a Kridanta also.
Actually, Mahodaya, the Diyate, if you search for Diyate in this one, the meaning itself is different. It says to perish. And that's why I had the question yesterday.
See, this one is fourth Gana, Di Dhatu. See, this is Di Dhatu, fourth Gana, Diyate. So that it so happens that the Karmani of Da also is taking a similar form, end form. Contextually, we have to distinguish, that's all. Okay. See, though the scientific derivations are distinct, the end result sound may be common. We have seen that. Okay, it's not like everything has independent sound mapping. Some of them have clashing sound mappings. Contextually, we have to reverse. Okay. Yeah. So let me stop this diversion. I just need to take this time to get it all set up on my screen. I apologize for that. Okay. Do I need to mute? Yeah, I need to mute. Okay. All right. So,
महोदय एका समस्या सामान्यतः दा धातु वयं चतुर्थ विभक्ति युज्यते
no chaturtha vibhakti
like for example Sita Ramaya something dadati so in karmani rupa the Ramaya remains the same or like Sitaya Ramaya diyate or Ram should be in the first vibhakti then?
Very good question. If diyate is a karmani form, maybe because dana kriya uses chaturthi, you can stay in chaturthi there because there is no karma anticipation when we go for dana kriya. See, Mahodaya's point is very good. Da dhatu is a dana karya. So the person that is receiving the dana goes to chaturthi Instead of normal, when we say shalam gacchati, karma pada is used for shala. Shalaya gacchati we don't say. Whereas shalaya dadati, when donation happens, shalaya dadati goes to Chaturthi. Okay. So Bhagini is asking, diyate, suppose dadati goes to diyate, then will shalaya or ramaya will remain ramaya or shalaya? Yes, correct. Okay. Ramaya diyate, and so dhanam diyate, something like that we should take as the potential karma in Pratama. Okay.
Okay, so maybe if it is grantah or something, it will become grantah diyate, because that will be first.
Grantah diyate. Yeah.
Pratama vibhakti.
Shalaya grantah diyate. So Sitaya shalaya grantah diyate. Sita shalam grantham dadati. Athva shalaya grantham dadati. You can go Dvikarmaka, you can go Chaturthi.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Okay, okay. Thank you. Dhanyavad, sir.
Very good. Very good. It's one of the slightly intricate parts of the grammar there when Dana Karya comes. Anyway. Okay. So we have to come back to we have to come back to where we were still attacking the meanings. Okay. Datavyam must
So
be
it doesn't
given.
follow Karmani rules there then, sir?
No, no. Karmani rules are followed, but the person who is the recipient remains in Chaturthi. That's what was the point of Sweetie Varya.
Okay.
Huh? Shalaya dadati, shalaya diyate. Dhanam is the one moving from karma dvitiya to karma pratama. Okay.
Yeah.
Or like she said, if it is grantaha, let us take a pullinga grantaha. Grantaha diyate, grantham dadati. Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah.
That moves, that karma pada moves, but the aya remains aya. Dana, this sampradana, apadana aspect of dana. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So datavyam must be given, should be given, that sense. Daniyam alternative. Aniyar tavyat. Dattaha kta pratyaya. So dattaha was so karmani pullinga form. Okay. Bhutakrudanta karmani. Okay. So pustakaha dattaha, something like that. So Gita datta. Okay. Mitram dattam. A friend was given. Okay. Oh, fine. Okay. Pushpam dattam. Let us take a simple case. Okay. These kind of things. Dattavan, a fellow who gave. Okay. Ramaha pustakam dattavan. Rama, a book, became a fellow who gave. Like that. Dattavati Strilinga. Dadat, Yachan. These both are Shatru. Okay. Dadat seems to be Pullinga form here. Clearly, because they are not explaining the Napumsakalinga to us in this Shatru anyway. So this is clearly Pullinga form. So it's a tough one. This dhatu is not an easy one. Dadat. So Yachan, that takes the normal Nakaranta for Kurvan, Gachan, Yachan. But Dadat is not Dadan, Dadat. So something to remember. Okay. Then dadati yachanti, Strilinga has no such confusion, but though the nakara is missing there, dadati yachanti, like that. Dattva, having given, pradaya with upasarga, so lyabanta. So tvanta, lyabanta, which both mean the same, but one is pure dhatu, one is upasarga yukta dhatu. Okay. Pradaya, having properly given donation. Dattva, having given. Something like that. Donation, I don't know. Having given. Okay. Dhatum, in order to give. Okay. Tumun pratyaya. So these are the things. All right. So now we'll come back to Bhagini. Let her read one more quickly, and then I think I was using Shilpa Bhagini. Please come back, ma'am. Sorry.
Yeah. I was thinking we'll read the Ghai Dhatu because that is again little different.
Go to Ghai Dhatu. After quickly reading Krand and Pat, just the title, go to Ghai Dhatu.
Okay. Krand, to cry. Pat, to fall. Gai is to sing.
Sing.
Gayati, giyate, gasyati. Ghatavyam, ghaniyam, gitaha, gita, gitam. Gitvan, gitvati. Gayan, gayanti. Gitva, pragaya, gatum.
Bhagini, now I think mentally as you read, to you the meanings for flashing, correct? आम्. तो गातुम् इति उपयुज्य वाक्यमेकं सरलवाक्यमेकं वदतु.
गातुं बालिका गातुं विद्यालयं गच्छति.
बालिका गातुं विद्यालयं गच्छति. Very good. So in order to sing, she goes to the school. Nice. One day when we go to the school for that reason, but yeah, well done. So like this, guys. So we have to practice like this. What she did. No, one more exercise I'll give to Shilpa Bhagini. Geetah etasya upayogam karotu.
Geetah, 1 second.
Can you explain what is that? What form?
Karmani prayog tyakta pratyaya. Geetah is pullinga. So
not tyakta pratyaya. Kta.
Pratya.
Kta. Yeah. Correct. I know. It is difficult when you come from Hindi world. There is a prefix needed. Yeah. Geetah is kta pratyaya. So can you say something? Yeah. Something pullinga has to be sung.
So I was just thinking pullinga. Balakena. Patham is Napunsaklinga.
Pataha is pullinga. Correct. Pataha you can pick up. Yeah.
Pataha Geetah.
Correct. Balakena Pataha Geetah. It is a weird thing. He sung the lesson. Why not? He is a kavi. So Balakena Pataha Geetah. Well done. Okay, like this. Okay. If we try simple 3-word sentences like this, we will start getting it. Okay. Don't worry whether semantically there is a lot of sense to what we are saying. As long as syntactically we are holding it together and it's a faint possibility in semantics, that's enough. Okay.
Mahodaya, one doubt. Mahodaya, can it be like this? Balakena Kavita Geetah?
No, Kavita Geeta. Strilinga. Because Kavita is Strilinga. Geeta has to be chosen. That's all. It's the same meaning. We have to choose Geeta from the set of Geetah, Geeta, Geetam. Okay? Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
So
Slokam. If it is Geetam. Yes, correct. We are thinking same way. Slokam Geetam. Yes, correct. So let us see some examples here. Balaha Mataram Pushpam Dadati. Such a sweet boy. So it's a rarity now. Yeah, they are going after girlfriends. Shishuhu Uchchai.
Balaha Matre Pushpam Dadati.
Mataram. Mataram, I think. Matre also is there. Matare in the sense of Chaturthi, you mean?
Matre, because
Matre. It could be done. But he's also handing it directly in her hand, so she can go into karma position also without any what you call pain. Okay. All right. Shishuhu Uchchaihi Krandati. So the baby loudly he cries. That Krand dhatu. Bala Chitroshtraha Patati. The baby giraffe falls. Such a cute thing. Bala Gaika Ganam Gayati. So the kid singer, the kid girl singer. Bala contains all that. Baby girl is Bala. So Bala Gaika Ganam Gayati. A song she sings. Okay. All right. Everywhere ga ga ga. Interesting sentence. So thank you, Shilpa Udeshi Bhagini. So Kavya Katha. So we need a new volunteer. Aruna Varye. Mahodaya, you are going to lead us. So as usual, just read the headings and read one sentence. Pause. We will do a quick translation and move forward. Yeah.
Astu Kavya Katha. Dasharathasya Shapah. Dasharatah Samyak Rajyam Paripalayati Sma.
Dasharatah, the king, properly samyak rajyam, the kingdom as a karmapada, paripalayati sma, properly takes care of it. I mean, rules it properly. Used to, sma gives the used to sense. Okay, so it's a what you call a cheap trick to displace a lat lakara into the past, but we should not use it in normal speech too easily. We should try to go to bhutakala forms and all that. Here for storytelling it is perfect actually, because in storytelling we say once upon a time such and such fellow did this, like that, no? So that once upon a time sense is thrown in with the sma in a beautiful way. Okay, not every time we want to throw that sense for telling something as simple as yesterday I went to the class. Okay, ह्यः अहं शालां gatam sma, or some stupid thing like that will sound very odd. Okay, maya gatam sma or something will not sound right. 1 minute, it's our break alarm. I'll give it quickly. So that's why I alert you, don't, though we are taught at a very initial level to use sma to translate present tense to past tense, don't make ill use of it. Continue, madam.
किन्तु बहुकालं सः पुत्ररहितः आसीत्.
But kintu, but for a long time, bahukalam yavat is in bracket. Okay, yavat is used with that. Okay, so that much time, saha, that fellow, putra rahitaha asit, without a son. So this build up. This is another Sanskrit special. Putra rahitaha is a fellow bereft of a son. Okay, there is a beautiful way to coin that into a qualifier. So Dasharatha Putra Rahitaha. Putra Rahitaha is now a Visheshana to Dasharatha. And such language is so simple to coin things like that. Okay, so try to say that in English, like, you know, for a long time he was a fellow bereft of son. Okay, Putra Rahita is one tuck like that. Okay, continue, madam.
अतः तस्य चिन्ता आसीत्.
Therefore he was worried. So his worry was there. So this direction is slightly different. Therefore ataha tasya dasharatasya of dasharata chinta. Okay, strilinga pada, but that thing was there. So this is the karta. Asit is the kriya of the chinta. Chinta being there is the kriya. Whose dasharatasya? Okay, continue, madam.
देवेन्द्रः देवलोकस्य नृपः.
The king of devas is the king of Devaloka. Very obvious statement. Let's continue.
तस्य राजधानी अमरावती.
His capital is Amaravati, not the one in Andhra Pradesh, or not the one coming up in Andhra Pradesh, or not coming up according to the politics of Jati. Anyway, continue.
राक्षसाः देवानां वैरिणः.
The beastly fellows, Rakshasas, are the enemies of the saintly fellows. Naturally. Continue.
ते देवलोकस्य आक्रमणं कृतवन्तः.
They attacked the world of these devas. Akramana is attack. So kritavantaha, kritavan, kritavantau, kritavantaha. So this is tavatu bahuvachana, pullinga. Okay. So rakshasaha, so kritavantaha. Te is the pronoun for rakshasaha. Continue, madam.
देवाः भीताः.
See, they have not pressed the kriyapadasanas unnecessarily. So the gods were afraid. Devaha bitaha. So were has been observed. So devaha bitaha asan. Something like that can be put in brackets by us. Continue, madam.
देवेन्द्रः दशरथस्य साहाय्यं प्रार्थितवान्.
So the king of the devas, he sought the help. Prarthitavan, he sought or prayed for. Okay, whose help? Dasharathasya sahayam, the help of Dasharatha, he sought. Continue.
दशरथः देवलोकं गत्वा असुरैः सह युद्धं कृतवान्.
So this Dasharatha, having gone to this Devaloka, see, Twanta. See, what we have to learn in these stories is not just to read the meanings and rapidly move on. We should start identifying the prototypes of what we are learning grammatically otherwise. So, Gatva, Twanta, okay, Asuraihi, Tritiya Bahuvachana, Kritavan, ktavatu, pullinga, ekavachana, like this, immediately it should pop in my head when I read. That is when you get sarthakya. That is when you say, wow, I am enjoying the full grammar view of this, not just looking at it as a flat statement. Over time, it can elide in your brain. No need to exercise every time and think of Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Bahuchana, all those things. But until it becomes Karagata, we say, until it becomes like a second nature to you, or the language becomes a second nature to you, it is good to be analyzing. Okay? Until that time. Continue, madam.
युद्धे राक्षसाः पराजिताः.
So, oh, I think I forgot the meaning itself in the previous sentence. So, Dasharatha, having gone to the Devaloka with the Asuras, Saha Asuraihi Saha, with the Asuras, Yuddham Kritavan, he did a war. Then Yuddhe, in that war, Rakshasaha Parajitaha, obviously the beastly fellows were defeated, became the fellows who got defeated. Sikta Parajitaha Parajitaha. Kta Bahuvachana. Pratama Vibhakti to qualify Rakshasaha. Continue, madam.
देवानां सौख्यं जातम्.
So the sukha, saukyam is the growth of sukha. So the sukhaness is saukyam. Sukha, saukyam. So the sukhaness of devas happened. Jatam, sanjatam happened. Okay. Thank you, Bhagini. Very well read. Hiral. Hiral Varye. Patatu Bhagini. Agre.
Yeah. Kalah atitah.
Time passed.
Ekada vasantamase dasharatah mrugayam kartum vanam gatvan.
So one time, ekada. Ekada is up one time. Just pause after every sentence. Sorry. So one time, Vasanta Mase, in the month of Vasanta Rutu. Okay. Also the Vasanta Masa, probably the first of the two Masas, which makes the Rutu. Dasharatha, the king Dasharatha, Mrugayam, in the act, Mrugayam Kartum, hunting is Mrugaya. Okay, Mrugaya. It sounds as if it is some aya. It sounds like some vibhakti. No, Mrugaya means hunting. Okay, the entire act is Mrugaya. Mrugayam is in karma position. Mrugayam, hunting as a karma pada. Kartum, in order to do. Tumun. Okay, kartum, tumun, in order to do. Vanam gatavan, went to the forest. Continue, madam.
Vane hinsatraha Praninaha asan.
Can you read that again?
Vane hinsatraha.
No takara there. I know it's not easy because the font is not great. Himsraha. Okay. Himsraha praninaha asan. So in the forest, himsraha is plural of himsra. So that is basically himsra is a pain-giving masculine thing. Okay.
Is it violence, sir?
Violence. Himsa is violence or some kind of some violent. So himsraha is violent in plural. Violent masculine things. Praninaha, animals. Okay. Asan, they were there. Okay.
Sir, Mrugayam is a Kriyapadam, right?
Mrugayam is not Kriyapadam. Mrugayam is a Karma Pada, is a Namapada in Karma position. Mrugaya is the Pratipadika. Mrugayam is the Karma Ekavachana.
No, you say it is hunting, right?
Hunting, yeah. In English, it sounds like a hunting is a noun in English. Okay. Hunting is what we call the infinitive form of the action of hunting.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is that form, Mrugaya. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know whether there is a Mrugayati or some such derived dhatu. There may be. Sanskritam allows derived dhatus, like I told. Okay. We call it Atideshika dhatus. So the act of hunting can be coded into a dhatu called Mrugaya, something like that. Mrugayati may be a derived dhatu. Okay. Not an upadishta. You won't find it in the dhatu pata.
Okay.
Drupaha anekan प्राणिनः हतवान्.
The king many animals he killed. Okay, see praninaha is actually karma position tritiya. It sounds the same as pratama bahuvachana, but it is in tritiya because they are the objects of killing by the king. So obviously they are in karma. So contextually you should know the vibhakti. Okay, because the animals are not killing, animals are getting killed, so they are karma. Okay, hatavan is kartari prayoga. So nrupaha hatavan is same as saying amarayat. Okay, so praninaha amarayat.
अन्ते दशरथः रात्रौ वने एव विश्रान्तिं स्वीकृतवान्.
In the end, the king Dasharatha in the night, Ratrau, in the night, Vane eva, in the forest only, Vishrantim Swikritavan, rest he accepted. That means he took rest in the forest alone. Okay, now because we have come to 12 o'clock, we will pause here. Let's take a break. And see, as you see, I am not trying to just make you guys simply read it and giving one plain answer and jumping on. Here and there, I am trying to pull in some grammar points to map to what we are learning. That is the reason why I am even, you can say, making us read these stories, because you guys are fully capable of reading this and understanding now. Okay, but I am just doing the little bit of assistive reading in this manner. So take your 5-minute break. We'll gather back at 12:05 after a water break and continue the reading. Thank you, Bhagini. Okay, welcome back, guys. Swarna Kumari. J. Swarna Kumari. Are you available? Can you unmute yourself?
Hello, namaste, sir.
Namaste, Bhagini. Just so let's continue reading, madam, from this Pratah.
Sorry, I've just joined. Yeah, Dasharatha Shapaha.
Dasarathasya Shapah, third paragraph.
Pratah Dasharatha Ashwam Arudavan.
In the morning, hold after every sentence, just pause. Prati Vakya Patananantaram Kinchit Viramam Swikarotu. Aham Kinchit Tasya Vishaye Vyakarana Amshan Uktva Punaha Prichami Agre Sartum. Astu va? Pratah, in the morning. Dasharatha Ashwam Arudavan. The king, he got onto a horse. Okay, he rode a horse. Continue, madam. Tamasa Nadi Tiram. Nadi Tiram. Okay. So Tamasayah Tamasa Namaka Nadi Nadyaha. Tamasa Namaka Nadyaha Tiram is Tamasa Nadi Tiram. So the shore of Tamasa Nadi Gatavan, he went.
Nadi Tire Tapasvi Kumaraha Asit.
In the shore, there was a young Tapasi Kumara. That means some Tapasvi's son or a young Tapasvi. One of the two can be used for that. Okay. Asit, he was there. Continue.
Saha Kumbe Jalam Parayati Sma.
That fellow, that Tapasvi Kumara, Saha Kumbhe, Saptami Ekavachana. Okay. In the pot. Kumbha, Kumbhe, Saptami Ekavachana, in the pot, Jalam, water, Purayati Sma, filling, he used to do like that.
Durat Tam Shabdam Sratavan.
Our king, Dasharatha, Durat, from afar. Okay. Tam Shabdam, that sound of the Jalapurana. Kumbhe Jalapurana Shabdaha Yad Bhavati Tat Shabdam Atva Tam Shabdam. Tat Shabdam would be Samastapada. Tam Shabdam is a split. Okay. Tam Shabdam Shrutavan. He heard.
Gajasya Shabdaha Ete Saha Chintavan.
Chintitavan. So Gajasya Shabdaha, he thought, oh, it is the sound of an elephant drinking water. Iti, so Saha Chintitavan, he thought like that.
Gaja Hantum Banam Visrishtavan.
Visrishtavan. Gajam Hantum, in order to kill the elephant. See, Hantum, in order to kill. Okay, Banam, an arrow as a Karmapada. Visrishtavan, he launched or he threw using his bow, something like that. Okay, so Visarjana, Visrishtana, some related words like that. Okay. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. You read a couple of more sentences. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Okay, she muted. Krishna Mahesh Karanam. On hold. Okay, I think something has happened to his phone. Maybe he's on another conversation, important conversation. No problem. Krishna Kumar. Krishna Kumar, continue reading, sir.
Banaha Tapasvi Kumaram Atadayat.
So that arrow as a subject in this sentence, Tapasvi Kumaram as an object, the young ascetic. Atadayat, it hit him in past tense. This is normal lung. Atadayat. So this is where I said, see, Banaha Tapasvi Kumaram Tadayatisma is kind of a silly prayoga, because Tadayatisma means used to hit sense is there. There is no used to type of thing. There is one action which got completed. Atadayat. Okay. So that sma is good in start of stories only. It doesn't have much value after that. Okay, continue, sir.
कुमारः हा तात इति क्रन्दनं कृतवान्.
तात.
तात.
Kumarah ha tata iti krandanam kritavan. Well read. So this young fellow, oh God, oh dad, oh father. Normally we say mata, but anyway. So, oh father, he cried like that. Krandanam kritavan. He cried like that. Okay.
नृपः तस्य समीपं गतवान्.
The king went near him, obviously distraught.
बाणाहतं तं दृष्ट्वा नृपः अतीव दुःखितः.
Banahatam, you see another samasta, beautiful samasta. Banena hataha, banahataha. Banahatam, karma position. Okay. Fellow who has been killed or hit, you can take in this sense. Okay. By the bana. Banahatam is in karma position. Tam drishtva, that fellow having seen, tvanta. Nrupaha, the king, our king. So this is one phrase ending in the tvanta. Second action, Nrupaha ativa dukkitaha abhavat is the bracket. Okay. Extremely, ativa dukkitaha, extremely filled with dukkha, he became. Continue, sir.
Patitam tapasvi kumaram ashramam neetavan.
Patitam. So again karma position. So again patitaha is yaha patana kriyayam sanjataha. One who is fallen is patitaha. Visheshana. Correct. So it is a kta pratyayanta patitaha to the tapasvi kumara now because he is the fallen. So fallen. Yeah. Fallen as a karma pada. Patitam. Tam alias for tam patitam tapasvi kumaram can be expanded. So patitam tapasvi kumaram ashramam neetavan, second karma pada. See dvikarma ka here. See ashrama as a target for that nayana karya. So tapasvi kumara is also karma, one type of karma. Ashrama is another type of karma. So this is a dvikarmaka nayana kriya taking. Okay, very interesting. Continue, sir.
Tatra vriddho dampati astam.
Dvivachana. Tatra over there.
Astam.
Astam is everything is dvivachana here. Vriddhau is two elderly. Dampati, a couple. Okay. Astam, they were there. Okay.
Tapasvi
kumarah. Sorry. Asit astam asan. Asit astam asan. Lang of as dhatu. Yeah.
Tapasvi kumarah mritaha.
So sadly, in the hands of his father, I think this young fellow died. Okay.
Mritam putram drishtva vriddaha kupitaha.
Having seen this dead son, mritam putram drishtva, karma drishtva. Okay. Having seen vridda is a common karta for the left half and the right half with the drishtva as the connector. Kupitaha abhavat. So he became angry.
Dasharataya putra shoka tavapi maranam bhavishyati idi shabam dattavan.
For Dasharatha, because the dana karya is there, Dasharathaya chaturthi vibhakti. Okay, so Dasharathaya shapam dattavan. Kidrishi shapam putra shoka tavapi maranam bhavishyati iti shapam. So from putra shoka again panchami tava api, your also maranam, death, bhavishyati, will happen. You will also die due to putra shoka like me. See, look, this marana is not happening to the father yet, but soon he would probably also die of shoka due to his putra's death. But anyway, so tavapi maranam refers to tapasvi kumaraha mritaha tavapi maranam, that connotation. And also you should everywhere hope you are identifying kupitaha kta pratyaya, dattavan tavatu pratyaya, mritaha kta pratyaya, like that should happen in your brains. Continue, sir.
Shapam shrutva Dasharatha dukkitaha abhavat.
the shapa as a karma pada, having heard. So Dasharatah shapam shrutva Dasharatah dukkitah abhavat. Okay, so first phrase, second phrase. If dukkitah, again kta pratyaya. Yah dukkam praptah saha dukkitah abhavat, he became a distraught fellow. Dasharatha. Continue, sir.
Putrah bhavishyati idi santushtah api abhavat.
See this sadness. He also, because he was bereft of actually son at that point. So in a sense, this Vruddha actually gave him putra also by his shapa. Putra shoka can happen only if there is a putra labha first. So Dasharatha looked at the positive and said, okay, putra bhavishyati iti santushtah api abhavat. So he also became happy that at least if I am at all to get that dukkha, first I will get a son. Like that.
Tadapi shapa barena saha Dasharatah Rajadhanim pratyagadapan. Shapa barena saha should be one together.
No, it's a split word. Saha is a upapada. Shapa barena is a upapada tritiya to saha. Okay. So saha is not to be joined. It is not a samasa. Okay. Saha is an avyaya. And the sapabarena saha, you can show them joined in a what you call a blind sandhi without any modification, but that will not be useful at beginner level to combine like that, so we don't do. So tatha api, even then, savarna dirgha sandhi. I mean tathapi, even then, means even then is not a very obvious word. I wouldn't have used. You can take the meaning as after that. Okay, tataha is the correct sense there. After that, shapa barena, due to the weight of the shapa, okay, with that weight, Dasharatah Rajadanim prati agatavan pratyagatavan. So okay, so there is a sandhi. So correct. Okay. Prati is actually an upasarga. This is what you call, you should not actually split this sandhi. If you do split it, you should put a hyphen in the modern way we write. Okay, you cannot take it far. Yeah. Okay. Sah Dasharatah Rajadanim pratyagatavan. So he returned. So this is the story. Thank you very much, Mahodaya. Yes, Mahodaya.
Guruji.
Ask.
Dampati is actually two people. Vriddau Dampati. Dampati itself is two people.
Dampati is like a dual singular, right? It's a pair.
Couple is a
couple like that. So Dampati, Dampatyau, Dampatyaha.
Vriddha Dampati is not enough.
It has to be samasta pada. If you want to bridge Vriddha with Dampati, you should take out the Dvivachana and just make it Vriddha Dampati, right? Yeah, but still
yes,
I will stick to Astam because I identify the duality in that Namapada. Okay, Astam. Okay.
Vriddha is Vriddhacha.
Vriddhau, correct. Vriddaha cha Vriddhau. Yeah. Tapasvi.
Okay.
Dampati, the word itself will run Dampati, Dampatyau, Dampatyaha. One couple, two couples, many couples. It's a multiplication table. 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into many. Okay. Dasharathasya kimartam chinta asit. Anyone remembers?
Bahukalam saha putrarahitah.
Putrarahitah asit. Atah tasya chinta asit. Well done. Two sentences is a good way to answer it. Okay. Athva you can say Dasharathasya putrarahityena. If you want to construct it like that, putrarahitya is the construction. Okay, lack of son. Putrarahityena chinta asit. If you want to go deep grammar, but stick to two split sentence. Beautiful. Putrarahitah asit atah chinta asit. bus. Easy. Okay. Next.
Putra rahitartham chinta.
Putra rahitartham, something it can be done. It's not as pleasing to construct that form, but it's okay. No problem. Okay. Next. Dasharatah Tamasa Nadi Tire Kim Kritavan.
Mrugayam.
Viramam Kritavan.
Anekan Praninaga.
See, if you remember the story context, first he went to the Vana for Mrugaya. Okay, Mrugaya, sorry. For Mrugaya, he went to the Vana. And then in the evening, he went to the Tamasa Nadi. He reached Tamasa Nadi Tira, and in the morning or something, after resting, for continuing his hunting, you can say that. Okay, let's just quickly look at what was the context.
Anekan Praninaga.
No, that too is nothing yet to do with Tamasa Nadi. See, Pratah Dasharatah Ashvam Arudavan Tamasa Nadi Tiram Gatavan. So this is after the previous day's hunt. So the question can be answered. Okay. Tamasa Nadi Tire Saha Tapasvi Kumaram Maritavan. Something like that also can be an answer. Because that is what he did actually. He didn't do hunting. He ended up killing the Tapasvi. So Dasharatah Gajaha iti matva Kumbe Jalam Purayantam Tapasvi Kumaram Banena Hatavan. This is what you call complex answer. Too much stacked into. Lot of noise. I just can't hear myself. Okay. Dasharatah Gajaha iti matva. Dasharatha as a subject. Gajaha iti matva. An elephant. So having thought, having understood. Kumbhe jalam purayantam tapasvi kumaram. Full stack. Kumbhe, in the pot, jalam, the water, purayantam, the fellow who has been filling. Purayantam. Okay. Tapasvi kumaram, karma. So that Tapasvi Kumara, Banena Hatavan, by an arrow he killed him. Okay. Prahrutavan or Hatavan. Prahrutavan and eventually Hatavan. Okay. Yeah, so this is don't go like this. So you can split it. Dasharatah Tamasa Nadi Tire Shabdam Shrutavan. Gajaha iti Chintitavan. Banam Brana Prayogam Kritavan. Some other word was there for launching. Anyway, so Bana Prayogam Kritavan. Duradrustavashat Tapasvi Kumaraha Maritaha. Like that, you can put that Kumbhe Jala. You can put the whole context there in small sentences. Okay, but you can give a simple answer also. Dasharatah Tamasa Nadi Tire Tapasvi Kumaram Maritavan. Enough. That's also, though it is very abrupt answer, it is correct answer. Nothing incorrect about it. Look at the marks. If it is a 3-mark question, go with 4 sentences. If it is a 1-mark question, go with one word answer for that. Okay. Kupitaha Vruddha Pita Dasharathaya Kam Shapam Dattavan. Kuputaha, no? Kupitaha. There is a spelling mistake.
Maranam.
Iti Dattavan. Putra Shokena. Putra Shokena atva Putra Shokat. Okay. Putra Shokat Tava api Maranam Bhavishyati iti Shapam Dattavan. Oh, answer is staring right here. Okay. Kupitaha Vruddha Tavapi Putra Shokat Maranam Bhavishyati iti Dasharatham Shaptavan. Okay, I made it little prouder. Shapam Dattavan is better. Sanskrit has many ways to cut the ice. Very colorful language.
Guruji? We have different questions here. The second question is Dasharatah Kirtam Devalokam Gatavan. And third one is Mrugayayam Dasharatah Kim Krutavan.
Oh, the questions in the book.
Yes.
Dasharatah Rakshasan Marayitum Devalokam Gatavan is the answer. Because the Devendrasya Ahwanam Svikritya. So Devendrasya Ahwanam Svikritya Rakshasan Yuddhe Marayitum devalokam gatavan. Correct? One answer. What is the other question?
मृगायां दशरथः किं कृतवान्?
Mrigayaya vanam gatavan. For hunting, what did Dasharatha do? For hunting, Dasharatha went to the forest. Is the answer I can think of. I would not bring Tapasvi Kumara into that answer.
But those questions which you are discussing now, those questions are not here, Guruji.
No, madam. I am not trying to entirely follow that prototype there. Okay. So yes, few other questions I am throwing. It's not as if Samskrita Bharati won't ask these type of questions. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. That is fine.
You always have the answer for
I
what
got
you already asked. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
These are my own questions. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
No problem.
Thought maybe some print mistake or I have missed them or what. I wanted to clarify those.
These are my questions. Yeah, some prototype.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, these are the questions. 5 questions are there. So I'm sure you guys can answer those and then check against what is there. Okay. Here the question is slightly different. See, Mrigayayam in the hunting. See, Mrigayayam in the hunting, Dasharatha kim kritavan. What did Dasharatha do? So Mrigayayam Dasharatha krura pranin hatavan, like that, or maritavan, something like that you can say. Okay. Krura praninaha hananam kritavan, like that you can say. Okay. Anyway, you guys can try anyway. So those answers are also there here. So let's see what I have. Mrigayayam Dasharatha Tamasa Nadi Tire. Oh, I made a different meaning. I took the more significant thing. Tamasa Nadi Tire Tapasvi Kumaram Ekam Banena Atadayat. I gave a long answer, far-reaching answer, but you can answer in many ways. So you can say Krura Praninaha Hananam Kritavan, like that. Okay, so 12:30 we have reached. So let us continue in the afternoon with the Anvaya Krama and keep moving fast and see if we can conclude today afternoon. Okay, so at 2 o'clock let's gather for an hour, little more time than that, and try to see how much we can cover off with the 7th lesson. Okay, so have a nice lunch and let's meet back at 2 o'clock. Thank you.
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः. पुनः मिलामः.